We are talking about Rera, that means Real Estate Regularity Authority. Rera, that means Real Estate Regularity Authority, which is established in 2016. The bill published on 14th August 2013 and the Rera Act commenced at 1st May 2016. 61 of 92 sections notified. 1st May 2016, remaining 31 sections. Now we are talking about why Rera or objective of Rera. An act to stabilize the real estate regulatory authority for regulation and promotion of the real estate sector and to ensure sale of plot, apartment or building as the case may be or sell the real estate project in an efficient and transparent manner and to protect the interest of customers in real estate sector and to stabilize an educating mechanism for speedy dispute redressal and also to stabilize the appellate tribunal to hear appeals from the decision, direction or orders of the real estate regulatory authority and the educating officer for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto. Now, some important definitions. Carpet area. Carpet area means net usable floor area of an apartment excluding the area covered by the external walls, area under service shafts, exclusive balcony or veranda area, and exclusive open terrace area, but includes the area covered by the internal walls. Now, Commencement Certificate or CC. Commencement Certificate means the commencement certificate or the building permit or the constructing permit by whatever name called issued by the competent authority to allow or permit the promoter to begin development works on an immovable property as per the sanction plan. And Completion Certificate. Completion certificate means the completion certificate or such other certificate by whatever name called issued by the competent authority certifying that the real estate project has been developed according to the sanction plan, layout plan, the specification as approved by the competent authority under the local laws. Occupancy Certificate. Occupancy certificate means the occupancy certificate or such other certificate by whatever name called issued by the competent authority permitting occupation of any building as provided under local laws, which has provision for civic infrastructure such as water, sanitation and electricity. Sanction Plan. Sanction plan means the site plan, building plan, service plan, parking and circulation plan, landscape plan, layout plan, zoning plan and such other plan and includes structural designs if applicable permissions such as environment permission and such other permissions which are approved by the competent authority prior to start of a real estate project. Now, some key points of registration. It is mandatory for the real estate developer to register the project with the Rera and obtain a valid registration number before proceeding. We cannot change the information once entered very easily, so have to be very careful in what we upload and the owner or director will be responsible for all the information provided. Every project measuring more than 500 square meter or more than 8 apartments will have to be registered with the Rera. And every phase will be considered a standalone real estate project and the developer have to obtain registration under this act for each phase separately. Details of FSI proposed and approved. Project cost estimation wherein one needs to bifurcate the land cost and the construction cost. This will enable the public to know how much is a developer's profit. Penalty. Penalty of up to 10% of project cost and or imprisonment of up to 3 years. Conditions for promoter. If any promoter contravenes the provisions of section 3, he shall be liable to a penalty which may extend up to 10% of the estimated cost of the real estate project as determined by the authority. For agent. If any real estate agent who fails to comply with or contravenes any of the orders or direction of the authority, he shall be liable to a penalty of every day during which such default continues, which may cumulatively extend up to 5% of the estimated cost of plot, apartment or building, as the case may be of the real estate project for which the sale or purchase has been facilitated and as determined by the authority. At the end, make sure you buy a project which is registered under regulatory authority.